Hey everybody, so if you're a new trader trying to trade crypto or any stock market, it applies to everything you want to do. A couple of things. Number one, if you're a new trader, you have to control your emotions. If you lose money in one day, you don't try to take revenge. In that way, you'll get more thrashed. Number second, never sell when you're down, because every time you're down, the market always comes back up. Some people lose their shit when the price coming down. Oh shit, I'm about to lose everything. Like if my goal, I'm done. So they sell. Like, tell me, why are you selling when you're down? Like just hold it, right? Like you don't, like you have to like get your, like, you know, like you have to man up. You have to have that that's what I told in the first one, is that you have to control your emotions. You cannot be doing emotional thing in trading. And you know, like once you try to like do that, you always lose money. So no, don't do emotional trading. Number second, which is never sell when you're down. Market always comes back up. And always diversify your portfolio. Like let's say if you're down in one particular, don't put all your money in one stock or one crypto or one coin, because what end up happening is that if that particular coin comes down, you're basically coming down. But if you have two different type of coin, let's say in terms of crypto, like if you have artificial intelligence coin, you have the gaming coins, you have the meme coins, you have Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you categorize it into different section, even if your one comes down, you have other one to back you up. So these are the very three important part in crypto. If you can do this three right, you'll always be right.